What's up guys, Alex with San Antonio Vapor Blasting here. Today we're going to be starting our new rebuild series on our 1994 Yamaha YFS200, otherwise known as a Yamaha Blaster. My brother Chris first rebuilt this bike back in 2021 using Amazon parts and rattle can spray paint. We got it running real good, used it for years, used it and abused it. You can actually hear it running right here in a second. Over the years, Chris tried a lot of different parts, figured out what worked, what didn't, tried out some different vendors, figured out what he liked, and has now bought a lot of new parts, and we're doing a new frame-off rebuild of his iconic purple blaster. Now that the bike has been taken down to the frame, you can start seeing that some of these parts have been dragged over rocks and are absolutely tore up. This is the other side, heel guard, footrest, whatever you want to call it. It's seen better days. Thankfully, we're here to breathe life into this part and give it some more years of service. Going to get it stripped down right here and ready for refinishing. So there you have it guys, first couple of parts to the machine. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and comment what color should we use to refinish this bike, and stay tuned for the next episode in this build series on San Antonio Vapor Blasting.